In the last few Claude Code videos, many of you have been asking me whether there is an option to install Claude Code for free. Yes, there is an option. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We will see how to install it on your own system and run it without any API costs, without any subscriptions, and with all your data staying completely private on your local machine. But before we begin, I need to tell you something very important. If you don't understand this clearly and you directly start the installation process, you might run into issues later and end up wasting your time. Claude Code is not like a regular LLM where you just ask a question and get a simple answer. This is a serious agentic coding tool. It can read entire code bases, perform reasoning, and execute multi-step tasks. So for that, you need real computing power. Now, if you want to use Claude Code for free, you need to use open source models. That means you must download those models onto your system. These open source models range from 7 billion parameters to 14 billion parameters, and even over 32 billion parameters. The 7B to 14B models are considered smaller models. The 32B and above models are larger models. You can use these models for real coding, building websites, and handling complex tasks. But here's the catch. These models are large in size. Most of them are over 10 GB. Some go up to 20 GB or even 30 GB. You need to download them to your own system. So your PC or laptop must be powerful enough. What matters most here is VRAM, video memory, not just regular system RAM. If you have a dedicated GPU like RTX 3080 or 3090 and higher VRAM like 8 GB or 16 GB, the models will run much more smoothly. Of course, overall system performance also matters. And one more honest point. Even if you download a large open source model, it will not match the performance of top-tier cloud models like Claude Sonnet 4.5 or Opus 4.6. So if you're doing serious professional work or client projects, it's better to use cloud models. But if you just want to get started with Claude Code and understand how it works, this free method is perfect. Now that you have an idea about local installation, let's move to the installation part. First, before installing Claude Code, we need to install a tool called Ollama. Ollama is basically a platform that hosts open source models. You can simply choose any model you like and install it locally. So go to Google and search for Ollama. Open the first link and click on Download Ollama. Select your operating system, Windows, Linux, or Mac. I'm using a Mac, so I copied the installation command and pasted it into the terminal. After running the command, Ollama gets installed. Once installation is complete, you can run Ollama. Now we need to download a model. If you check the model section, you'll see different models like Qwen 3.5, Qwen Coder, Minimax, and others. One recent powerful open source model is Qwen 2.5. But for Claude Code, we should check the recommended models. Go to the Claude Code homepage, scroll down, and click on Claude Code. In the documentation, you'll see a section called Recommended Models. There are 4 recommended models listed. Now go back to Ollama and search for GPT-OSS. You'll see GPT-OSS 20B and GPT-OSS 120B. The 20B model is about 14 GB in size. The 120B model is about 65 GB in size. Both have a 128K context window. Now let's install the GPT-OSS 20B model. Copy the model name, open the terminal, and run Ollama pull. Once you run this, the download starts. After downloading around 13 GB, the model installation completes successfully. Now we need to install Claude Code. Go back to the Claude Code documentation, scroll down to Usage with Ollama Quick Setup. Copy the installation command based on your operating system. Paste it into the terminal and press enter. After a few moments, Claude Code installed successfully. Now we have both Claude Code installed, GPT-OSS model installed. Next, we launch Claude Code using Ollama. Run Ollama launch Claude. If you see any error like Claude is not installed, don't panic. Just copy the error message and paste it into any LLM like ChatGPT or Claude itself. It will give you the solution. In my case, I ran an additional command to install the Claude CLI properly. After that, running Claude -- version confirmed the installation. Now when I launch it again, it works. If you want to change the model, use Ollama launch Claude config. It will ask you to select from available models. Since GPT-OSS 20B is already installed, I selected that. From now on, Claude Code works like regular Claude Code. You can use / commands and other features. But remember, performance depends on your PC power. For example, When I tested by typing hi, it took around 90 seconds to respond. I'm using a Mac M3 Pro, but I had many background apps running, so RAM was already occupied. If you have a dedicated GPU, performance will be much better. So yes, you can run Claude Code locally without any cost, but execution speed and output quality depend heavily on your system configuration. Also remember, GPT OSS 20B is not the only model. There are smaller models too. You can experiment. Try a smaller model first. If performance is good, try a bigger one. But the main point is, running decent open source models smoothly requires a high configuration PC or laptop. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, please like the video and share it with your friends. And for more AI related videos, subscribe to the channel. More exciting content is coming soon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.